is Catherine here, and today I just received my January Birchbox in the mail, and I did open up the actual packaging, but I do have the box right here. I have looked in it, and I tried to film a video, but I have a little monster trying to come join me opening it. So you guys are probably, if I can figure out how to edit on my PC, you guys are going to probably get some bloopers at the end of this. So I'm going to let her run around and play in my office while I talk to you about the January Birchbox. So the January Birchbox, it is a monthly subscription for you to get different products. This month is about skincare. And she's messing with my makeup. It's okay. So, this is the Birchbox UK. I did have the Birchbox US when I was in the States. This is the UK version, so it's definitely a lot different. And my previous video, which will be linked somewhere above my head, is me opening up and reviewing the limited editions boxes from Birchbox. But let's get into this. So the box is really pretty. It comes with a quote on the top, and it says, "Rethink your routine, trust the magic of a fresh start." So it just pops off like that, and it comes with a card, and it smells very, very perfumey. And she's trying to rearrange my lipsticks. Okay. Alright. So the card is, "Hello Birchboxers. Hello 2021, new year, new routine. In 2021, they are more committed than ever to bringing you new and exciting ways to enjoy a little me time." And I'm a mom, so I love my me time. So, Layla Marie, we do not do that. Girl, she's just trying to run this show. Alright, so the first thing in the box is the Marcelle's Purifying Mask. So all these are sample sizes except for one of them. They did send me the full size. Layla Marie. Okay, we're moving the camera. Now they can see your father's office area. That's messy. Alright. So the first thing is the Marcelle's Purifying Mask. This clay mask addresses all of the concerns of oily skin by cleansing imperfections, refining pores, and leaving skin with a clean, matte look. Lord have mercy. Alright. Plus, the creamy texture prevents it from being too drying. So the full size of this retails for $17.50. So if I like this, I might buy it. Alright, so the next product is the Lise Watier. It's an illumination primer, luminous fresh cream gel. Great. Alright. When it comes to looking radiant, you can't go past on an illuminating primer. This cream gel primer with a delicate pearlescent finish gives a soft, radiant glow, whether you apply it before foundation as a base or after as a highlighter. Plus, the universal shade suits all. So the next thing they sent me is This Works. Is a Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum. This youth-boosting serum is formulated to target tired-looking skin. I'm a mom, so of course, tired-looking skin. Packed with plumping powders of hyaluronic acid and brightening slow-release Vitamin C. It brightens, firms, tightens, and smooths your complexion in no time. The next thing they sent me is, she messed with. Alright. It is, no, you actually can't have that one. This is it. It's the Dr. Botanicals Strawberry and Poppy Seed Cleansing Bar. They sent me the full size, and it retails for, oh, so the previous one, This Works, retails for 37 pounds. This cleansing bar retails for £9.90. £9.90. It's perfect for your weekly exfoliation session. This is more than your average bar. A soap formulated with 98% natural ingredients like exfoliating black poppy seeds and revitalizing, I cannot speak, strawberry. This small but mighty bar will cleanse and exfoliate the skin all over your body, restoring your natural glow. Okay. There you go. I got one more product. Okay. So the last product that they sent to me was the Amika's Reset Exfoliating Jelly Shampoo. Time to hit reset on your hair, whether you're feeling oily, itchy, or sensitive. This innovative jelly shampoo uses charcoal, pink clay, and sea salt to deep clean, purify, rebalance, and soothe your scalp. Feel instantly relieved and refreshed. So I actually like this brand. I actually have not had to buy this brand at all because they always send me this, like every time makeup subscription, they send me a lot of this. So this is everything that is in, that's in the box. Then on the back of the package, or paper, it says, Psst, February sneak peek. Next month, we're transforming your Birchbox into a versatile beauty bag, perfect for stashing your post-workout essentials or sitting pretty on your dressing table. Plus, you can choose the colors. What will you choose? Will I choose turquoise or lilac? I think I might choose lilac. Alright, just keep an eye on your inbox and stay tuned to our social media. So that is it for the January Birchbox. And I hope you guys liked this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below for more. And if you guys could not understand anything I was saying, it's going to be all in the description box down below. Thank you very much, and I will see you guys next Monday for whatever I decide to do. Bye!